guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stade 0. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola, Sibo Bafethu. Yeah, the best analyst in South Africa Bafethu. Ngaba wonke jikelele la Africa siyaya Bafethu. Kancane step by step njenge Adidas.
Yeah.
Jump njengephuma sibambe njenge Jordan sibuye nayo phansi. Ngiyabonga. Bafethu. Mesibheka Sundowns lana neteam yaseMali, iStadio Mali. Bafethu game interesting Sibo. Before singene game in Sibo, iSundowns this is their 8th quarter final abayidlalayo. 7 times in a row ba qualifier badlulela ku the next round. Now we're on our 8th. Yeah. Meaning that must qualify and should be 8 times in a row silandelela. So Sibo ama record isawayenza siphinde siwaphule.
Yeah, away.
Yeah, away. Yeah. Ngithola and Sibo una something engifuna ukukutshela yona ne. As much as Sundowns yenza ama record kanje, you'll be surprised ukuthi Sundowns was once relegated.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, Sundowns was relegated via ngokuthi when they were introducing EPSL to 16 teams, it was 18 teams, and then they cut it to 16. Sundowns because mengekho kule 16, mayisa ku 17, 18 bayehlisa uyangithola. That was 1986. Bayehlisa ya second division. But look at Sundowns today. Look at Sundowns today.
Yeah.
Sikhuluma ngeteam enestar.
Yeah. So much.
Sikhuluma ngeteam today enestar.
Yeah.
Imagine in 1986 who would have thought ukuthi Sundowns today izobe inestar. Who would have thought ukuthi in 1986 Sundowns would be a Loftus dominating teams in Africa like this?
Okay.
Who would have thought?
Let's count from 86.
So it just shows Sibo ukuthi a team in life, it's like a flower. You need to nurse it to grow. And for a flower to grow, Sibo, iqala under the roots phansi komhlaba ebumnyameni. 1986 was the dark ages of Sundowns, and then it rise. And today's flourishing. It's a giant.
Yeah, it is.
It's a big tree.
Yeah.
So Sibo into esibona ukuthatha kuza ama motivations empilo ukuthi if Sundowns can be where they are. I remember in 2004 Dr. Petros Motsepe, he said he wants Sundowns to be the best team in the world, dominate Africa, and that's what he has achieved. Ubaba Uzola Mahobe, he also had the same dream to say, I want Mamelodi Sundowns to dominate South Africa in Africa. We are living his dream. Do you know Steve Gutla Makalas of Mamelodi Sundowns now?
Yeah.
They were inspired by Dr. Ubaba Uzola Mahobe. Uzola Mahobe wayenza la makhala wathi ufuna Mamelodi Sundowns efane neBrazil. And when it's the Brazil elinye blue, Sundowns gaba necheze blue. IBrazil medlala ngecheze blue 98. They'll change after 98, which is like on 2000 they'll change, which is blue. And then we came in just to show you Steve with Sundowns, abantu aba own Sundowns, abantu aba support Sundowns are people who are ambitious and people who chase their dreams and goals. And Sundowns, it's that. Young tall. So excellence, that's black excellence, Tibo. Black excellence, Tibo. So la bantu abadlalile le role na siyabonga. Ithi ngikushaya ngiyogcina Tibo encane before ngene gaming. Le gama liyazi ukuthi kune ABC Motsepe, ngisho ABC Motsepe League. That ABC it was inspired by Ubaba uFrank, one of the founders of Mamelodi Sundowns. That's why it's called ABC Motsepe League. Igama lakhe nguFrank ABC Motsepe. Yeah, sibambe lapha ethi singene gaming.
Nomlando uthatha. Yeah, sure.
So Sibo singene gaming ke ku stadium sibe present manje siwile ku past se present 2026 manje nge13 zaka March Sibo kule game le interesting Sibo game stadium, you know, game in Sibo I like reading the game before it even starts. I'm a warm up during the warm up Sibo. The warm up tells me a lot about the game, you know, the way the two teams prepared. Sundowns may prepare ngebola.
Yeah.
Stadium na me prepare ngani bebayenze irondo irondo yakhona they had 6 players inside, they had the 10 players around kule rondo le. Mabaloko ba prepare kanje, it taught me ukuthi irondo was telling me ukuthi they are gonna come and defend. Those 11 players, the 6 players are the ball players, and then the 11 that defend. So it means they already were preparing to come and play a low block, the mid block, and that's what they did during the game. They were playing a low block, the mid block. Sometimes we prepare ngeball, showing that with mabafike game in bazodlala, and that's what they did. Yangithola la match mega yenziwa uNuno, amathatch bebawayenza if you can go and check the preparation yabo. That man run into bebazenza yangithola. So coming into a game, Mamelodi Sundowns what they did, bathathe riding Umudiba, bathatha riding Umudao, stretching ngabe ground for a width, and then compact middle fielder ngoNuno, ngutebza no Adams babajoyina lapha phakathi. Mean that sabane 5 phakathi. Istade Lyon yona iqale nge5-3-2 mayiqala mayenza 5-3-2 lento ngitshela ngayo they were prepared a low block ne mid block. That's how they approached us, and what they did kuna lento labathi line of engagement. Line of engagement is when you allow the opponent to have the ball on their half, but immediately mabajumpa center, that's why you engage. That's why you close them down. That's what they use. The 2 forwards, they were engaging must go to jump center. They were not in a rush with pass pressing our own half because they knew we were dangerous. Short passes in our own half and breaking if it's press. So they were waiting us to sit jump in center, and then that would be their first line of engagement. We badala nge double pivot, 2 holding midfielders. Those midfielders were number 8 no number 12. They being a move. Their job was to protect riding. But ibashaye kuphi as much as le 2 imile thina mhlanga ngabo number 10 abayi 3 ngoNuno, ngoSales, noMethusi bebaza phakathi bazodlala as 3 number 10s. So manje le 2 it was 2 versus 3, and then phambi kwale 2 lena ama double pivot there was also uAdams noMukwena yangithola. So it was very competitive lapha phakathi Sithibo yangithola egaming. And what they also did, they wanted to use number 10 as a route of escape maba wina amabhola yangithola. So number 10 was coming in, yes, mabazo defender, but most of the time mega always azamuchita number 10, mega always azamuchita number 10 befuna uchita number 10. So every time abawina ibhola they will try to switch it number 10 mega dlala as left wing because amuchita ngayo on the left hand side, but we managed to control the damage yangithola on that side. But another thing is esikwazile Sithibo kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuyenza very good is that ama windows Sithibo ukuthi siphula ama window. Into esikwazi ukuyenza kahle Sithibo namhlanje ukuphula ama window. uNuno was very vital kwi game namhlanje. Nuno was giving us a lot namhlanje Sithibo in terms of phula ama first air. Nuno was doing a lot of through passes yangithola Sithibo. So ama goal wethu waze ngakhona ama through pass kaNuno. So lama pass lawa they were very key, and going forward that's what we need yangithola Sithibo. Umudiba noMutawu maba wide Sithibo ba stretch ama opponent. You see thina mesihlala ngoRenas ayi1 phambili. So Renas makayi 1 phambili laba bayi2 uMudiba noMutawu maba stretch ama opponent bakwazi ukwenza ama run in between. uRenas kwazi ukwenza ama run in between, uSales kwazi ukwenza ama run in between. And there was also a ball yakaMutawu where Mutawu was given a ball by uNuno ayenza cut in. Sithibo kunento lena abathi kune development. Development is very important Sithibo yangithola, very important. There were 2 chances Umutawu could have made this game easy for us. 2 chances. First half enyo ethola, second half uthola ibhola ungena eboxini wawa yangithola lapho la mfuna ukuthi alfinish top corner la phezulu, elinye walithola lela bhola ulishayela ukuthi le phansi, ushaya volleyball ukuthi le phansi lingene yangithola. So i development important. You can see ukuthi Umutawu is a quality player but akakhulanga nge development right. Izinto ezinjalo izinto ezincane which are very important when it comes to developing players. Ngiyabonga Sithibo.